So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use extrusion to create stairs in Revit. Here in this floor plan, we already have our stairs at the front elevation of the building. So we are creating a stairs at the exit door. So let's go to our 3D. This is our 3D of our building. As you can see the stairs, we are creating a stairs at the exit door. Before we do that, we have to make use of the back elevation. So we are moving to our back elevation. As you can see, this is the edge of our door, the edge of our exit door. So we are creating a stair that is starting from the DPC level to the ground floor. So we click architecture, components, model in place, click walls, OK. So before we start the extrusion, we have to set our plane. So we are using this wall to set our plane. So here we are going to click set to set the plane, pick a plane, OK. So we point our mouse towards the wall, click it, choose extrusion because we are using extrusion to create the stair. So we start from the top. Our tread is 300. Our riser is 150. The same approach, the same process. Click. So here we are through. With it. So we are through the extrusion method, but our stairs is in a halfway, so we need to extrude it to the right. But before we extrude it to the right, we have to move the stairs to the position we want to extrude it. So we are going to click our move tool, click at the outside tip of the stairs, make sure you uncheck your constraint and leave the disjoint selection. So we are going to drag it to the starting point of this. Then the next thing is to extrude. As you can see the arrow here, we are clicking the arrow to extrude. We click and drag to the particular position we want it. Then we'll leave it. Click finish model. Now you can see our staircase. This is how to create stairs using extrusion method. Please like and share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of these videos. Thank you.